2026, the year Ethereum changes everything. Let's talk crypto. First up, you got Nvidia, the chip giant. They're making big moves with a company called Grok, right? But here's the smart play. They're structuring their deal in a way that avoids that dreaded acquisition label. Why? Simple. They want to keep the antitrust regulators happy, steer clear of those monopoly concerns. It just goes to show you how even the biggest tech players got to be nimble and smart about how they grow, especially when they're pushing the boundaries of AI chips and advanced computing. Now let's pivot to Ethereum because Tom Lee, a real sharp analyst, he's super bullish on its role in tokenization. What's tokenization? Listen up. It's basically taking real-world assets, think real estate, fine art, even a piece of a company, and turning them into digital tokens on the blockchain. Think of it like a super secure digital ownership certificate that's easy to track and trade. Tom Lee sees this as a massive growth area for Ethereum, a real game changer for how we own and exchange assets. This is not financial advice, but it definitely highlights a huge potential use case for the network. And speaking of Ethereum, get this. 2026 is being pegged as the year it really kicks into high gear with ZK Tech. What's ZK Tech, you ask? Well, imagine the main Ethereum blockchain as a busy highway. ZK Tech, or zero-knowledge technology, like ZK-rollups, is like building a super-fast express lane right next to it. Instead of every single transaction clogging up the main highway, these rollups bundle up a ton of transactions, process them off-chain, and then send back just a tiny, verifiable proof to the main chain. This means way more transactions, way faster, and way cheaper. It's going to make Ethereum exponentially scalable, opening up doors for all sorts of applications we can only dream of right now. It's a huge step towards making crypto truly mainstream and efficient. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.